Another problem that we've solved is using smart screens as you know it. Putting your pen on the screen never is accurate. If you draw the line, there is a bit of latency, right? So this is what we've done. We've created a solution called zero gap technology. The inner layer of the screen and the outer layer of the screen are mapped so close together that it has a zero gap. Technically speaking, that's very innovative, but what it really solves is the idea that you're writing on paper. With a solution like this, it really feels like you're writing on paper.
Really?
Absolutely. Would you like to
try
try
it?
All right,
Yes.
then this is what we do. I get a piece of paper,
Yep.
I hold it here, I take a pen myself, a regular pen, a white paper pen, you know, ink, and you take one of the smartboard pens.
This one?
And we just draw a line in the same speed, and we see if there is a bit of latency.
Ah, okay.
Let's
We'll
do
try.
that. So, piece of paper, thank you. Here we go. I click on the whiteboard function. This is the whiteboard function. Ready?
Yeah.
I follow your lead. So whatever line you draw, I draw too.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Here we go. How's that, huh?
Yeah.
How is that for zero latency?
So smooth.
How is that for a feeling of writing on paper?
Yes.
Very much on paper.
Yeah, it's just like writing on a real paper.
Very much, very much. So this means now we have a very intuitive way of teaching and learning.